Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from group 2PC-06 under the supervisions of our project manager, Ms. Sukma Evadini, STMcom. Let me introduce the team. My name is Muhammad Fauzi Azhari. I'm the team leader of this group. My contribution to this project include creating the wireframes for the customer side as well as developing the front end from the organizer side. Next, we have Sharifa Bishara Sahab. Her contribution to this project include creating the wireframes for the organizer side as well as developing the front end for the customer side. Next, we have Apri Catur Pramudiansyah. His contribution to this project include creating the wireframes for the admin side as well as developing the front end for the admin side. Before we begin, we would like to thankful all of our course lecturers who have guided us and supported us throughout this PBL project. Standing here today, we are proud to present the results of our 7 weeks preparations for this project-based learning with the title is Event Management and Ticketing System. So, without further ado, let's we start it. Alright, first, the project background. So, I want to talk about how technology has changed many areas, including student organizations. In Polytechnic, student activity units or UKM often organize events like seminar, workshops, competitions, and social activities with a lot of participants. But in reality, managing these events is still often done manually or using tools that are not connected, such as registrations through online forms and ticket tracking done separately. Because of this, several problems can might be happen. For example, it's hard to manage participants' data in one place, there's no clear ticket quota system, and it's difficult to differentiate ticket types like early bird, regular, or VIP. There is also a risk of overbooking and overall. Monitoring and reporting event data becomes inefficient, and that was from organizer perspective. From the participant side, the process is also not very convenient. They often need to fill in their data multiple times, do not always get clear confirmations, and might find it difficult to choose the right ticket. So, driven by these challenges, we need a system that can manage everything in one place, starting from creating the event, managing categories, setting ticket types and quotas, until participant registrations. That's why we representing Ticketify as the definitive solutions. It is a web-based application designed to help student organizations manage events more effectively, efficiently, and also make it easier for users to get information and register for events. With these systems, we hope that event management in Polytechnic can become more organized, transparent, and professional. So, what is the general overview of the Ticketify system? Based on this diagram, we can see the relationship between three main actors: admin, organizer, and customer. First, for the customer. After registrations and login, they can browse, select, book, and complete payments for specific events. The system will generate detailed payment informations and a QR code which serves as their digital ticket. Next, the organizer. After login, organizers can create and submit event proposals, including managing ticket quotas, categories, and event details. Once submitted, the system will display the event status as pending, awaiting approval from the admin before it can be officially published. Then, for the admin, after login, the dashboard will display a list of events submitted by the organizers for review and validations. The admin is responsible for approving events, managing published event data, and organizing user categories to ensure the system remains well structured. Finally, the database. The database serves as the central storage where all data transmissions and processing are securely managed.
Moving on to the use case diagram, this section illustrates the functional requirements of Ticketify. We have three primary actors involved: the buyers, the admin, and the organizers. First, let's look at the buyer. Their journey starts with login, followed by browsing the event catalog, and once they find an event, they can purchase ticket and receive a unique code as their digital ticket. They can also view their transaction history or even apply to become an organizer. Next is the admin, who holds the highest level of authority. The admin is responsible for high-level management, such as managing event categories, verifying event proposals, and managing user data. They also have the power to active or deactive accounts, including upgrading a customer status to organizer. And finally, we have the organizer. Their role focuses on the operational side of specific event they made, such as event data management and ticket types, attendance verification on the day of the event, and tracking the event sales data to monitor performance.
Next, I will explain the entity relationship diagram for our project. Our event ticketing system is built around several core entities that work together to manage user, event, tickets, and transactions. At the left side is the user entity, which stores its user's name, email, password, phone number, and role, whether they are admin, buyer, or committee member. For a user perspective, there are two main paths. First, as a buyer, a user can make multiple transactions. Each transaction records the purchase date, total payment, and payment status. Within one transaction, a buyer can purchase multiple tickets, so each transaction links to many purchase tickets, which hold details like QR code, price, quota, and attendance status. Each purchase ticket references a ticket type, which defines the ticket category for a specific event. This brings us to the event entity, which stores the event title, location, start and end dates, and descriptions. Every event belongs to one event category, while one category can cover many events. Second, as a committee member, a user can act as committee who creates and manages multiple events. This is one-to-many relationship between committee and event. Each event is exclusively owned by the committee who created, meaning one committee can have their own My Event page to manage only their event. They have no access to events created by other committees, ensuring each committee has full control over their own event only. Next is the functional requirement for our project. First, general users can register, login, and manage their profile. Next, buyers can browse their event catalog with search and filter, purchase ticket with mid-trans payment integration, and view their ticket history. Once payment is confirmed, the system automatically generates an e-ticket with a unique QR code. Committee members can create and manage their own events, set ticket types with pricing and quotas, validate attendee with QR code, and monitor their event statistics. Admins oversee the platform by managing event categories, approving or rejecting submitted events, and controlling committee accounts. Admins also review requests from buyers who want to upgrade their account to committee status. Finally, buyers can submit a committee request and the system handles payment callbacks from mid-trans to automatically update transaction status.
Next is the non-functional requirements. These are the standards that define how our system operates to ensure a high-quality user experience. We have categorized them into 6 key parameters. First, for availability, Ticketify is designed to be accessible 24/7, especially during peak ticket sales periods. Regarding security, we prioritize data protection by implementing strong password encryption, preventing SQL injection, and ensuring the security of our hardware infrastructure. In terms of usability, the interface is mobile friendly, making it easy for buyers to show their digital codes on their phone. And for performance, we aim for efficiency, ensuring that the page load time is under 3 seconds on standard campus internet speed. Next is integrity. We ensure that transaction data is strictly synchronized between our system and payment status. Finally, for scalability, the system is built to handle traffic surges when many users are performing transaction stimulationally without crashing. Now, we will showcase the wireframe and front-end design for our project Ticketify.